Welcome to News. Today, the chef Michael, he's doing some. What are you doing?
We're doing a cocoa Thai soup with tilapia. Really good, but really spicy. So right now, I'm cutting garlic.
Okay. So, can kids eat that if it's spicy?
No, it's too spicy. We're using jalapeno pepper.
Let's go see.
Really, really spicy. Even your mother can eat this.
Ooh.
It's too spicy for your mother.
Let's go ask Mama. Mama, is it true what Michael said? Is it too spicy for you? Is it too spicy for you?
C'est quoi qui est trop spicy?
What he's doing?
The cocoa Thai soup with tilapia.
You see, it's too spicy for Mama too, so only him can eat it. The great chef. Look what is all of these ingredients, and I'm using a mic, a real mic.
So right now I'm chopping garlic. Really chopping it into small pieces. Come take a look. It's really small pieces.
And dangerous.
So we're using 4 garlic cloves.
Okay. Ooh, lemons. You gonna use lemon?
Yeah, I will use the lemon juice for the soup.
I would like to
Really,
eat these.
it will give a little sweet taste to the soup.
A sweetness.
Just a little taste of lemon. Really good soup.
You sure?
Really sure.
Okay then.
Bloody hell, I look like shit. Why are you filming me? I look dirty. Oh my god. Oh no.
Let's go see
I'm
Mama.
not TV material.
Yes, you are. You're gonna be a star. Let's go see my little sister. Oh, sleeping. There's my mama. And there's the cats. Let's go see my brother. Okay, so let's go see my brother, what he's doing. These are the stairs. What are you doing, brother? We're doing a video, YouTube video. Okay, so what are you doing now?
I'm still cutting the garlic.
Can I do it too?
No,
Why?
because you can cut yourself. It's too little to cut for you.
I can call even. I can.
But I will ask you to do the lemon later in the recipe.
But if I do it, I'm
Why
gonna.
are you filming me so close? Stop it, you paparazzi.
Look it. This is my sister's pumpkin. But it's past Halloween. Look at what my mama did. She did this. She did this. She did all of this. What do I do? Oh, and look, her work is avocado. Better subscribe. If you want one, go see her Facebook. Alan Vaziaskas or Okado. Okay, so what are you doing now, chef?
Right now I'm still preparing the ingredients.
Okay,
We'll use a little bit of ginger.
what is ginger? Explain to us.
So this is ginger. It has a spicy taste, but it's very good in recipe.
I know what's ginger. I ate one yesterday.
Take a bite. Take a bite.
No.
Why
I don't
you not
like.
taking my food.
I don't like spicy.
You don't like spicy?
No,
Oh.
I hate spicy.
That's because you're Canadian.
I'm Brazilian.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Brazilians love spicy food.
Because I'm a kid. When I'm gonna be an adult, I will love spicy, I promise.
I don't think so, because you're born in Canada and you live in Canada.
I am born in Brazil.
Yeah, but you live in Canada. People in Canada don't like to eat spicy food.
I live in Canada, but my dad is Morocco. You're not my real dad.
I'm not your real dad.
You're my stepdad.
Stepdad. Yes, I am.
And my mother is Brazilian, like me. And you are Canadian.
No, I'm from the UK.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I'm from the UK.
No,
Yes.
you're from Montreal.
No, I'm from the UK. I was born and raised in Manchester.
Okay, so I'm just gonna put the phone here so they can see what you're cooking. Oh, and here's the mic. I'm letting you the mic so you can speak to them. Mama, si tu veux vivre c'est que la famille à Mélanie habite là-bas. Oui, elle est née là-bas à Canada. Ah oui, c'est vrai. Elle a dit qu'elle peut nous visiter. Okay, so what? Did he do something with you guys?
He's boring. Remove him from your show. I don't like him.
So, what do you want to do?
I'm still cutting the ginger.
Why a lot of ginger?
Not a lot of ginger.
It's a lot.
It's not a lot.
Look at all of these pieces. It's
very
gonna be so
small.
spicy. You're from Montreal and you say Canadian people
No,
don't
I'm
like
not from
spicy.
Montreal. I'm not from Montreal. I told you I'm from Manchester.
No, you're not.
Yes.
Your mother said you're from Montreal.
How do you know my mother? My mother's in the UK.
No. She came yesterday
She
and
took a plane.
1 week ago, and 1 week ago, another week, and 1 month ago. She comes almost every day
What do you mean every day? She comes every week to say hello.
to the baby,
To
and
baby shepherd's pie.
and I
which
told
you really
her
love.
the second time I saw her, she told me you're born in Montreal. Where are we living now? We're living at Montreal. You're a big liar.
I'm no big liar.
Yes,
Don't talk to me this way.
you're a liar.
Big fat liar.
I don't like it.
You see,
Stop it.
even Mama says you're a liar.
I'm no liar.
J'ai
J'ai juste besoin du téléphone pour voir la recette.
Let's see you in the other video. Bye.